Let's see here. Login. How was the Dodgers?
Dude, it was a blast.
I believe it.
Yeah, it was way fun. All right.
Okay, group meeting.
Let me. All right.
Okay, signing that. Is it the same numbers? No, dang it. Alright, so we got for problem number 1. Oh, where'd it go? What the heck? I just had it open. Could have sworn. Continue. Yes. Alright, so for number 3, we have for females, p hat 1, 52 divided by 70.
2 divided by 70.
Point 43. Yeah.
Okay. And 2 is 59 divided by 42.
Yep. No, 42 divided by 59.
Good. I was testing you. You did good.
0.712. The null is they equal each other. Alternative is they don't. And now for the fun part. Freaking.
That one. Hey, on number 5, that one is it's p hat, right?
Number 5. Yeah. P hat equals p hat.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Create a 95% confidence interval. Okay.
Two. So 1.96. 743 times 0.267 times equals divided by 70.
Where do we put in? Where do you plug in the? Let's see here. Okay. What'd you get for your p-value?
I haven't. I'm doing the confidence interval,
Oh, okay.
which is the biggest pain in the freaking rear.
Dude, I can't remember. How do you do? I can't remember how to do the confidence interval.
It's the biggest formula ever. For these ones, it's a huge formula. So in the reading it,
Is it so? It's p hat 1 minus p hat 2 minus p hat 1 minus minus.
no, minus z
Oh,
uh, times square root of p hat 1 times 1 minus p hat 1 divided by the population of 1 plus p hat 2 multiplied by 1 minus p hat 2 over the population 2 square rooted. 0.743. Here's my toast.
so which one's p1? Not p hat 1. I know. So we got p hat 1, p hat 2. Which one's p1?
So P1 is the proportion of females in the population who can taste PTC. P2 is the proportion of males. So P hat and P are the same thing.
Okay.
It's really weird and confusing to me, but
I know. I didn't study this chapter quite as good as I should have. If you haven't noticed.
well, that's something that in previous, like 2 chapters ago,
Yeah.
it said P hat and P equal each other.
Right. I remember that.
And I think that still stands true in this one.
So I mean, you're doing this big, huge formula of. Let me find it here. So in the reading, the formula, correct me if I'm wrong, it's Z equals P hat 1 minus P hat 2 minus P1 minus P2, right? No, I mean, those are in parentheses, and then you have the square root of P hat 1 minus P hat, and 1 divided by N1 plus 1 divided by N2, right? Okay. Oh, okay, I got this.
But that's not the formula we're using for the confidence interval.
Good. I was testing you again. What formula are we using for the confidence intervals?
We're using P hat 1 minus P hat 2 minus Z, which in this case is 1.96 because it's a 95%.
Okay.
To the square root of P1 times 1 minus P1. So it's on the reading. If you go to the very top where it gives you the outline of everything,
Right.
and number 3 is confidence intervals, managing fox populations.
Okay.
The formula is just in that section.
Holy freak! Yeah, that's huge. Okay.
Yeah.
So in this case, N1 is the 52, right?
Mm-hmm.
And N2 is 42. Okay.
No, N1 isn't. Yeah,
Isn't it
N1 is
the one?
70 and N2 is 59.
So it's the whole sample, not the ones that can taste.
Yeah, because if it was X bar, then that would be the 52 and 42.
Okay. Wow. That. Okay. Here we go.
Okay, come on, you stupid thing. P equals copy 0.712 times 0.2 square rooted. Point one. There we go. Did you get it?
No, hold on 1 second.
Alright.
I'm so close. Okay. Did you
Yeah.
get negative 0.123 and 0.185?
Sure do.
Oh, hallelujah.
Now we have to find the
P
other
value.
the Z or well the P. Great. Okay, so I want 0.7 plus that's not 0.7 plus 3. No, I want 70 plus 59.
Freak, dude. My internet just went out. Oh, you're probably gone now, huh?
What?
Can you still hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
My internet is tripping. Can you still see me, dude?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Oh no, now you're done. Let's see if I can get him back into the chat. Invite friend. Tyler Moser. Invite. 1 divided by 70. 0.014. Square rooted. Copy.
Hi.
Hello.
Dude, my computer freaked out.
Aish.
Hey, so on number six, deleted number six, we had -123 and 0.185, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Gosh dang it, dude. And I hadn't saved my Excel. Okay. Correct. Dude, are you? I love Trivia Crack.
Yeah, man. Again, my sister downloaded it for me this weekend. I've been playing it all day, every day.
Me and my wife play it. Of course, I dominate.
Ah, crap. Yeah, my sister killed me the last game. I beat her the game before that, but
Huh?
destroyed me. But I blame all the questions they give me. I'm pretty sure I'm getting the tougher ones.
Yeah, that's exactly what I think about when I play too.
Who the heck is supposed to know who things? Jeez.
Dude. Okay, sorry, dude. Where were we at? Trying to find.
We are on number 7. You have to find the Z to find the P to see if we reject it or not. Which means I have to open up something to do that. No, that's not what I want. I want the applet. Yeah, that's a failed reject. Oh, come on, where's my assignment? There we go. Oh, that's not what I wanted.
Sorry, dude. I'm just trying to update my Excel sheet
No worries.
because for some reason after we do this, I forget everything within 10 minutes. Notes.
Yeesh.
Oh wow, dude, now I can't get the freaking right answer. Okay, I'll find that later. Okay. Okay, I'm sorry, dude. P-value. And you just use the z-score, right? Well, the z-score is 1.96.
Well, you use the z-score after you find it, so p hat 1 minus p hat 2 over the square root of p hat, um, which that p hat is the overall sample, so that's the 70 plus 59 divided by the, or 52 plus 42 divided by the 70 plus 59. One over n1 plus 1 over n2.
Okay. So on that one, I mean, your P1 and your P2 are the same thing as P hat 1 and P hat 2, right?
Yeah, P1 minus P2. But the thing, so like on the reading, they have P1 minus P2 being 0, which didn't make sense to me.
Yeah.
But so when I did the preparation assignment, I just did it as 0, and I got the right answer. So I'm still thinking it's 0,
Okay.
regardless. I was trying to open up the videos of him teaching it, but it wasn't working.
Hey, so which one? What's X1 plus? Oh, X is the overall sample, right? Or the ones that actually had the. actually like
So
um,
yeah, the X is those who could actually taste it.
okay.
So here you have 1 over N1, which is 1 over 70, plus 1 over N2, 1 over 59.
So for like p hat, like the overall sample proportion, did you get 0.729
0.729 for my
for like the p
Z.
hat? No, for like the p hat, like just like the overall sample
Oh
proportion.
yeah, yeah, yeah. For the overall.
Yeah. Okay, perfect. I'm sorry, dude.
You gotta be kidding me.
What?
I found the Excel sheet to do all of this very simply.
You're lying.
No, I'm not lying.
What?
I'll put it in your in the chat.
Was it on the reading?
It is. I found it in the reading, but it's hidden. You have to. There's a pain in the butt to find. I'll put it in the chat box right now.
Blessed.
There it is. All this time we've been doing, and there it is.
Can't find where's the chat box?
It's just on the right of the video. It's a group chat. If it's not there, it's
Oh,
if
got
you
it.
did the top left icon chat. Yeah.
Dang it. I mean, great. That's fantastic.
Don't worry, man. I feel the same. Freaking pissing me off.
Okay,
Well, that makes everything like super easy though. Frick.
that's great. Okay. Okay, dude. Oh, wow, that's nice. Watch those numbers change. It's fantastic. Okay, did you get 0.653 then?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Dude, that's so nice.
Yeah, it is.
Oh wow. Okay. So that's your p-value, and then you plug that into the applet.
Uh-huh. Well, no, the p-value is the applet. That's the outcome of the applet.
Are you kidding me? That does it all?
Yeah.
I think I'm in love. Wow. Okay, so you would. Oh my heck, dude, that's great. So we would fail to reject, right?
Yeah.
And is it HA or HO?
HO, the null.
No. Okay. Which of the following best describes the outcome of the study? What, C?
Huh? No, B. There's insufficient evidence that they are different.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay. And the conditions that have to be greater than or equal to 10, right?
Yeah.
Okay, did you get true?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
And then for the appropriate one, it should be the first one. P1 is less than P2.
Okay.
So our P1 is 0.141. 0.145.
I'm sorry, did you get 0.141?
Yeah.
Okay. And then 0.145.
Yep.
So Z score negative 2.02.
Yeah.
That's so high.
To shade to the right.
Right. No, wait.
9.022.
If it's less than, wouldn't it be to the left of the z-score?
Well, but we're looking at the proportion of patients on the weekend being greater than during the weekday.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay. 0.022 is our p-value. And reject the null. Right?
What do we have? A 0.05? Yeah, reject. And there's sufficient admitted weekday is. So there's sufficient evidence to say that it's the same. I just want to check one thing before we turn it in.
Okay.
Hypothesis test should be. Okay, so on our first one, on number 5, it should be P1 equals P2. P1 does not equal P2 instead of P hat.
Okay.
Oh, man. Okay, you were right on number 14. It's to the left.
It's okay, I forgive you.
17. There was insufficient. Dang it. I
How,
put
why,
sufficient.
why, why is that insufficient?
So it's sufficient if we are getting rid of, and so if we fail to reject the null, no, that's wrong. It should be there's.
Is it sufficient because they're greater than the proportion?
Let me see here, just a second. So our null was that they equal each other, so we're getting rid of that. And so there's sufficient evidence to conclude that the patient submitted on a weekend is greater than on a weekday. So I think it was just the other sufficient one.
Okay. Okay. Boy, that was a rough one for me.
And I don't think he's graded the group project yet.
Oh, I don't think so either.
It says many people don't provide enough details. But it just doesn't say that it's. Yeah, so we just can't do anything he does, until he passes the design.
Okay.
He says, I have had several M&M projects are probably going to be cluster samples because I expect you to probably count all M&Ms in the bag. Each bag should be the sample size, not individual M&Ms. Okay, that was all that was. So I think we just, probably after he grades it, we just have to change, because I think we did a simple random sample. We just have to change it to a cluster sample.
Okay.
But once he grades it, I'll shoot you a text.
Perfect.
All right, man. I'll see you on Thursday.
Hey, dude. Thanks, dude.
Yep. Peace.
Bye.